Hi, so this is our graphical user interface for our app CookSmart. It's meant to be viewed on a desktop web browser as it is here. So our app is comprised of three main components, and that would be a meal planner, as you can see over here, and a recipe tracker similar to Programming Assignment 3, as well as a pantry where you store all of your ingredients. So first I'll walk you through our first primary step, which is adding a new ingredient to our pantry. So as you can see, these are all of our ingredients that we have so far, and we can go here to the top right and click Add Ingredient. And let's say we add almonds. That would be under the category nuts. Pick some expiration date, some quantity, and units. And then we click Submit. And then, as you can see, almonds has been added over here. So over here, you can kind of see all of your ingredients and then the amount that you have left of each of them, and also the days left until they expire. So then you can move on to the recipe manager over here, and you can see all the recipes that you have in your own database. So you can click on a recipe, and this would be our second primary task, which is just simply viewing the recipe in its and its ingredients and its directions. So you would pull this up while you're cooking. And also you can pull this up in advance, and we plan to include additional functionality that would basically, based on the ingredients that you have, it will read this list of ingredients and then tell you which of these ingredients you have and which you don't have. And then, based on all of those, you could see whether or not you can make this entire recipe or not. So that would be planned in a later release. So finally, we can go over to the calendar, and this was our meal planner. So over here, you can see a calendar to the left, so we can scroll through the months. And then on the right, we have our actual day-by-day, meal-by-meal plan. So our third and final task is basically adding a meal to this meal plan. So again, we can go to the top right and click Add Meal. So for example, let's add something on Saturday let's add something on Friday since we don't have anything there. So Friday, we can add a meal. So we click Friday, and then we can make it dinner. And then we start typing, and then we have autocomplete enabled over here. So let's click this one and then submit. So now, as you can see here, this recipe has been added to our meal plan, and we can also click on any of these recipes to head over to their meal page. So thank you.